So differential equations. Going to look at this and I want to show that dy dx is equal to xy is a separable differential equation. Now all I'm going to do here is this. I'm just going to rewrite this as this equation. Hopefully you can see how I got this. I'm going to divide both sides by y and multiply both sides by dx. And I'm going to get dy over y is equal to x dx. So hopefully that's enough proof for you. You're liking that, hopefully. Now what I'm going to do is this. Just going to, first I'll check off the fact that we did this. Now what I want to do is go ahead and solve this for y. I just want to show you some more work here. So this is a second problem. Solve for y. So solve for y here. And I think what we're going to do is take the antiderivative of both sides here. So the antiderivative of this is ln of absolute y. You had to have that memorized, you guys. So if you want, you can go back and look at another video and I'll prove it, but you have to recognize that ln form. So that's that. Then I'm going to take the antiderivative of this, and the antiderivative of x to the first is, right, to take that antiderivative, we would take x to the 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1, which would give us x squared over 2, wouldn't it? From here, I just want to go ahead and exponentiate this and take, so that is to take this out of a logarithmic form. So I'm going to exponentiate here, so exponentiate. If I spell anything wrong, keep it to yourself. If I do my math wrong, please tell me. But the spelling, I suck, I just have to admit it. So we have the absolute value of y, because remember that ln of absolute value of y is equal to log base e of absolute y. Right? So I'm going to take this out of that form. I'm going to raise this. So e to this power. So e to the x squared over 2 power. Right? Remember we have that constant. So the constant will be e to the power of c. We can keep simplifying this a little bit. Just want to remind you of this rule from Algebra 2 that says that x to the m power times x to the n power is x to the m plus n power. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to say it's e to the m times e to the n. So I'm going to add this bit and this bit and get it is equal to e to the x squared over 2 plus c power is equal to the absolute value of y. Hopefully getting this absolute value thing here, we can take the absolute value down and just put plus or minus e to the x squared over 2 plus c power. Here's a common mistake, and that common mistake is this, is that people will do this, and I have to remind myself not to, because we've both seen this before when we're doing antiderivatives. It's not here. This c is part of the exponential power, isn't it? So the c goes up here. Right? And sometimes people call it c sub 1. I don't care what you call it, to be honest with you. So you can write it that way if you like. I'm just looking at other people's notes, and you can always leave it in this form, plus or minus e to the c times e to the x squared over 2 power. However you want to do it is fine. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate the support. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and continue to support me. I really appreciate it. Unlike other people, I'm only doing this grassroots. I'm only doing it through you. So as you watch, the numbers go up, and that's it. I'm not bitter about Bill Gates. I wish I had a Bill Gates. If you're a super wealthy, rich guy out there and you want to sponsor me, by all means, please contact me and you can sponsor me. God bless you. Thanks. If not, though, it's all good. It's all good.